Welcome to our third vlog. So again, thank you so much for coming again here in our vlog and seeing us. And as promised, I will be sharing with you some tips and tricks on how we maintain our home. So first off, we'll talk about the lounge area. At dito sa lounge area, of course, the main furniture that we have here is this white leather sofa. So why did we choose a white leather sofa? Well, as you can see, we have here Willow and Sky, whose furs are in the light color. And talagang napfrustrate ako tuwing nakikita ko yung balahibo nila. So previously, owning to this sofa, we have a dark gray fabric sofa. And with that one, mga 3 to 4 times lang naman ako nag-vacuum noon. Dahil lalo na sa shedding season nila, sobrang lala guys. Talagang nakaka-mind blown kung gaano ka frustrating ang dami ng balahibo nila. Whereas this one, ngayon nagko-camouflage na lang ang balahibo nila so hindi ko na masyado nakita, hindi na din ako masyado nasa-stress. And dahil nga leather siya, it doesn't absorb moisture. So alam niyo naman, sometimes hindi maiiwasan na may spillage or mapagpawisan. And in the case of having dogs, paminsan nagsusuka sila or yung mga dumi galing sa paa nila, lalo na pag kagagaling lang sa labas, is na-absorb ng fabric sofa. And of course, there is a big tendency na magstay dun yung moisture and eventually maging smelly. So, before, talagang dun sa fabric sofa namin, we have to attend to it vigorously. And kailangan din ma-maintain na siya with a professional steam cleaner. And talagang medyo malaki ang maintenance nun. Whereas this one, we just use a duster instead of a vacuum just to, shake those furs off. And then, right cleaning products lang ang katapat. So, punas-punas na lang and dusting-dusting na lang, solved na. So, I'll share with you the products that we use on how we maintain this sofa brand new all the time. So, these are the products that we use to maintain our sofa good as new. So, 4 na bagay lang. The duster, a microfiber cloth, a cleaner, and the moisturizer. So first off is you dust off the furs and the dirt from the sofa. And don't forget the crevices kasi dyan nagtatago yung mga dumi and balahibo madalas. Kung hindi naman kaya ng duster, then you use your microfiber cloth to get out all those dirt and dust and furs on those crevices. At pag nalinis mo na, then that's the time that you use this deep clean soap from Oakwood. By the way, this video is non-sponsored. Talagang ito yung mga ginagamit namin na products. So, yan. Isika lang ng konti. Use your microfiber cloth. Punas ulit. And yung mga may hirap matanggal na stains, usually nadadala na nito. After you do all your wiping of the deep cleaner soap, then you moisturize it with this leather conditioner. So it looks like a body balm na ginagamit dito sa sofa to keep it moisturized. Kasi sabi nga nila, di ba, yung leather is like a skin. You need to moisturize from time to time para ma-maintain mo yung durability niya over time. And hindi rin siya madaling mag-age kasi nag-age ang leather. And that's it. Those are the products that we use to maintain the sofa. And now, I'll be talking about the sofa accessories. So I have here the furry throw blanket. So, only one rule when you're choosing your throw pillows, make sure that it has a removable cover. So that pag nadumihan sila, yung kailangan mong labhan, yung cover lang, hindi yung buong unan. Kasi syempre pag yung buong unan, ang hirap matuyo. And this one is the blanket. So I make sure that it's a little bit matching somehow when it comes to the texture and the color. So I like the furry stuffs because it really adds a lot of value and it gives that luxury feeling. So yan, tuwing, lalo na ngayon, medyo malamig-lamig pa. Ganyan. Kumot lang. And then, mainit na tsaa or wine sometimes. And yan, chill with a view. Another thing that I really invested quite a bit is this white sheer curtains. It just gives that hotel vibe feeling. Diba kung mapapansin niyo sa mga hotels na pinupuntahan niyo, laging may ganito. The best thing about this is it provides privacy. And at the same time, it softens the natural light that comes into the house para hindi siya masyadong glary sa mata. And ganda lang. And now, let's talk about this part of the house. So this is the entertainment unit that we have. In this one, makikita ninyo, it's mostly consists of white pero different texture. So in this area, we focus more on the texture. So as you would notice, yan, iba yung texture nitong cover ng cupboard namin, and then the vase, and kahit itong figurine na to, it's all white pero it has a lot of textures to it. And So as this vase. Another trick that I would share with you is etong jar na to, etong vase na to. So it's more than a vase, it's more than an aesthetic. This is also where we keep our remote controls and mga kung anik-anik ba. Ayan, mga remote controls, another remote control, para hindi lang siya nakakalat, di ba? So, and charger. So lahat ng mga bagay dito may sari-sariling tirahan. With the case of the remote controls, dito sila nakatira sa base na to. So, dito naman sa drawers na to, we put some small boxes like this to keep the things that we use. Lalo na yung sa mga maliliit na bagay, it's highly recommended na nakatago sila sa box or else manitirapan kang hanapin yun eventually. Lalo na alam nyo naman yung mga gamit, di ba? Kung kailan yung kailangan, saan ka nagtatago. And pag mga maliliit na gamit na ganito, hirap pag hinanap mo lalo na sa deeper area, deeper part ng cupboard mo. So, put them in a box. Another thing na i-share ko dito sa inyo is itong taguan ng wire. So, pinakabit namin yung TV namin sa wall just so mas maganda yung angle and hindi siya nakaka-constrain ng leeg kapag nanonood ka sobrang baba. So, pinaataas namin ng konti and at first, nakakairita na kita mo yung mga wires, di ba? Parang walang kapayapaan. Untidy tignan. So, binili namin to, dinidikit lang siya sa wall and pwede mo nang itago yung mga wires and cords mo nang ganyan lang. Easy lang. Yan lang. Wala nang nakakalat. Wala nang eyesore na wirings. Yeah, that's it for the entertainment unit and this is our ever-reliable Google Home Nest. Next time, i-share ko sa inyo what this one is. One of my favorite gadgets at home. So, ayan, dito naman sa area na to. Syempre kung may lounge yung mga tao, may lounge area din yung mga aso. Dahil sabi ko nga sa inyo, sila ang mga legit homeowners dito. So, ayan, this one is the dog bed. We got this one from Kmart. And then, tinatakloban lang namin siya ng kumot na white. Kasi nga, talagang mahilig ako sa mga cover ng mga kung ano-ano. Kasi gusto ko yung nalalabhan. Yung nalilinis ng mabuti. Ayoko talaga ng mahirap linisin na bagay. I really take into consideration kung paano ko ma-maintain ng isang bagay tuwing binibili ko siya. Or bago ko siya bilhin. So in this case, yan. For the bed, ano lang, throw blanket lang, balot. Pag madumi na, tapon sa washing machine. Dami na ulit. And syempre, ito namang basket na to is mga laruan ng mga aso namin. So, ng paboritong laruan, ang aking tsinelas. Pangalawang paboritong laruan ay ang medyas. Pero guys, sobrang dami talaga nila ditong laruan na mga pang-aso. Pero yun talaga yung mga favorite nila. Another favorite laruan, basahan. Ewan ko sa mga aso namin kung alin yung hindi talaga nila laruan. Yun pa yung mga paborito nila. Lalo na itong chinelas ko, diba? Talagang sinacrifice ko na para sa kanila. So, ayan. Yan, dami silang laruan. I don't know with my dogs. They just want yung mga hindi naman talaga laruan. And now let's talk about the coffee table. This coffee table is from Kmart. And it's already made out of natural marble and wood. So really, it's very, very suitable for the Japandi style that we are going after. And tama lang yung size niya, hindi siya ganun kalaki and hindi rin siya ganun kaliit. And syempre yung marble, another thing that gives that luxury feeling. And at the same time, it's very practical. Madali lang din siyang linisin and i-maintain. Very durable din siya. That's why we got this coffee table. Thank you again for watching our vlog. I hope that you guys like it. Please don't forget to subscribe on this page, hit the like button, and hit that bell para wala kayong ma-miss. I'll see you in the next vlog.